guys, the name is Psycho, and today I'll be playing a game called Tsuki. It's my first time, so yeah, let's get it. So how old am I? I'm just gonna lie, I want to say I'm 20. 21's the sexiest age. So I'm 21. Oh, nice music. So obviously I can hear, but you guys can't. So yeah, this will just be like me gameplay of Tsuki. Okay, dear player. Tsuki is a passive adventure game. If you check in on Tsuki often, you just might catch Tsuki doing something new. Remember to buy items so Tsuki can do more activities. And also don't forget to take your time and relax. We hope you enjoy this game. Okay. So I guess that's Tsuki. So, skip. Yeah, so just hold on the skip button. Wait, what's happening? Oh, letters. Dear Tsuki, by the time you receive this letter, I might have moved to a very peaceful place already. You must be doing so well in town. Looking at all the beautiful pictures you mailed over. If you are tired of the busy life, you could always drop by the old tree house and the little carrot farm. It will be yours from now onwards. Wait, did Grandpa die? Well, my grandpa's dead. Registration letter? Don't know. Is to get a dog or a cat? Oh, it's a bunny. Got the big man himself. I quit, motherfucker. He's just slacking off while I beat my ass, serving all the other employees. So we're on a train. Can skip this. So I guess that's the tree house. Oh, it's an actual tree house. And that doesn't look like carrot. It looks like a big piece of broccoli. Just to show you guys how it sounds like it's kind of like a nice melody that goes dun dun da da dun 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 da da dun. Who's Maury? Knock knock. There's so much to talk about. Like what? How have I been all these years? I just my good buddy Maury. He or she's a turtle. This round. Wait, no, that's not broccoli. That's a big ass carrot. Yeah, okay. Sure. 400. Oh, okay. Use blah blah blah. Okay, cool. I got a fishing rod. Let's go fish. Okay, cool. So it's not my pet. It's wait. So he quit his paying job of being an assistant to take a job as an assistant, but he's not getting paid. And that's pathetic. But he did it for his grandpapa. So I can't complain. New life, just move into the old tree house at Mushroom Village. This marks a new beginning for me. I hope I don't mess this up. Cool, Tsuki. Cool. So now what? Yeah, let's go to town. Dun, 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 dun. It is like a noodle shop. It looks Chinese. Okay. There's not much to do. I wonder if I can go fishing. Oh, so that's the noodle shop. I am Tsuki. I just moved here. I'm sure I will. Yo, I like this guy. Let's draw something. Want a toy? Give me a ticket. This is very sus. Cause one, his name is Gotcha Boy. So Gotcha Boy, I got you, boy. And he's saying, hey, little cute rabbit, want a toy? Give me a ticket. And he's shouting it. Okay. Spin my knob. Okay, this is starting to get very, very sus. Please don't be a condom. Please don't be a condom. Please don't be a condom. It's a banana. A banana. Oh, a travel good luck. Okay, let me go to the diary. This is Mr. Carrot, my favorite toy. When I was young, unfortunately, don't know where it is anymore. Hopefully, one day I can find it. The day I was born. No, wait, you were born in 1995? 1995. This is me, just a few hours old. You have to admit, he's super cute. I'm super cute as a baby. So, like, okay, cool. So my toys. Toys. Where's my banana? Banana! Oh, there you are, banana. So yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna end it. So see you guys later. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed Tsuki. Stay psychotic and peace.